Hi guys, I want to do a little review on the Snipersling S Elephant. I've had this for about a week now. Just want to show you what comes in the little goodie bag with it. There's a little frame. At first thoughts, I thought, it's tiny, it's tiny, it's tiny. I've got big hands. I'm a size large, extra large in gloves. It fits absolute perfect. There's nothing more you need. There's no reason for it to be any bigger. Let's see what comes in the bag there. Get a couple of band sets, tapered band sets, little microfiber pouches, but I don't think we'll be using those today. And a little bag of tools and your sights. Okay, I've got some spare filament for the sights, green and red, a couple of Allen keys, assume that one's take the frame off the handle, and this one must be for installing our sights there. This is a little sighting bar. Slips in the top here. Comes with two sights. First one is your day-to-day sight. That one just slips on there, like so. Pop the post in. And she goes. Let's whiz that one up. Okay. So this one's obviously is adjustable up and down. Get your point of reference, get it set up. Mine's about 1 millimeter on there, something like that. Tighten up the little wheel. There's a second sight that comes with this one as well. That slides onto this bar. Up and down for your further away shooting, point of reference. You can just lock that where you like. So you've got your two sights. I'm finding with the bands I'm using, I'm not needing the extra sight. At 54 foot, I don't need to put any elevation on the board whatsoever with that sight there. What we'll do now is we'll get up a little bit up and close so you can have a proper look, and I'll show you how the bandings go on there and stuff. Back in a moment. Right guys, have a closer look at it now. It's embossed in there. It is really nicely curved here and here. Sits lovely, lovely in your hand, lovely in your hand. Banding, spun clips. Might be easier for you to see there. Quite aggressive jaws, but I've not cut any bands with them yet. Band set I'm using at the moment. This is one of the little position pouches from Snipersling. We put a 9.5 in there. It holds it beautifully. No room for pouch roll at all because you're holding that ball bearing through both sides. This is a precise rubber I'm using, and also I'm tying using the amber belt. How tiny those little knots are. 50-60 foot, there's no drop at all with a 9.5mm steel. Let's just pop those on. This is our shooting side. Let's get your band orientation right. Just set that nicely there. Okay. Nothing new here. But it is very, very quick to band up, obviously. Tighten up your little screws. Now, lesson learned. Penny or something like that, give them a twist. Because I pulled this back, one of them bands came out and slapped me in the face. There's a reason we tighten these up. But they sit in there beautifully, beautifully. Right, okay, so you've had a good proper look at it up and close. gonna whip outside now on the, I've got a 60mm spinner, about 40 foot. A few shots I recorded at the weekend actually when it was raining, so there's no speech on there, just show you how it fires. You can see that my accuracy's come from pretty rubbish to nice consistent shooting now with this setup, with this frame. It's for the money, the quality, the weight. I've had one little frame hit there. That was one of those stupid try and shoot too quickly at a squirrel. Band slipped sideways. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Another 6. Yeah.